What's going on, guys? We are back once again. I told you guys, doing videos. We're back at it. So today we're finally gonna be putting it on the car. So this is obviously what it should look like. It's gonna look a little better because it's not actually on the car yet, but Jordan finally finished painting this thing for me. Shout out Jordan. You guys will actually see his car very soon because it just got done. Because as you can see, this is painted, which means the rest of his car is also painted. We are actually gonna head over to Delaware. You guys will see why in a second. It's gonna be a super fun day today. I'm super excited. Let's get over to Delaware. I need to fit this thing in the car. Alright, so before we really get on the road, I'll explain to you guys what we're doing today. So Hayden invited me over to his crib, and it's Memorial Day weekend, baby, so we having a barbecue. All of the New Jersey like homies, all of them I think are pulling up, which I'm super hyped about. I saw Johnny and obviously Hayden, all them in Chattanooga, which I really wish I recorded for you guys because it was the best show I've ever been to. But it's a HOTBOI barbecue today. So we're gonna throw this wing on while we're at it. So I'm super hyped to get this wing finally on this car because I always loved the premium wing, but the rest of the premium and really the wing itself isn't worth like almost the 10 grand you'll pay in like dealership markups, all of that. So yeah, no, not worth it. So I bought the wing for I think $200 on Amazon. I will actually put the link for this wing in the description. It's actually super like price effective, basically the same quality as an OEM wing, but you can get it unpainted for like 180, I think. Mint. Love to save money, so go check it out in the description, guys. I'll put it down there for you guys who want to save a little buck on getting a little duck bill for your 86. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna hop on the road and not be distracted, and I will see you guys when we pull up to Hayden's. I'm so hyped.
Wavy never land like Benny from the Sandlot, calling my shot. The great Bambino, don't drink vodka unless it's Pellegrino. Traded 2 5s for a super steak burrito. Super J Palme got me feeling like Rico. Pulling up a cha-cha, call it sugar foot, honey bunch, nah, I'm fucking up. Should've had my homie take my phone when I'm this fucking drunk. Like I got a checklist, texting one of my exes every time Drake go and drop a record. Way too fucking reckless with the Marvin's Room reference. Drunk.
Well, guys, I think we finally made it. That was a bit of a longer drive than I thought it would feel like, but there's the king of beans. Let's go find these motherfuckers. No way. No way I timed this like this. No way. I didn't do this for the video, I swear, guys. Like, I fucking swear to God. All the way from Jersey. We timed it perfectly. We timed it perfectly. What was that? I just pulled up.
Yeah, I know. I knew that. I did that on purpose.
Oh, yeah, totally. Yeah, good job. Look at these beautiful people.
I wouldn't be mad about that. We got dark skin and then we got way more.
we got a golden Oreo right
Yeah, colored folks. Just love it. Did I invite you? I didn't invite this guy. He's kind of bold though. That picture looked like Dylan in the story. He legit. Well, I thought it was Dylan. I was gonna let y'all know.
It's all big sexy. Look at this guy.
Look at this guy.
It's the man. It's the man, the myth, the legend.
Hey, yeah!
Oh, don't do that. Don't do that.
What are those? The fuck? What the fuck? The best daps, always.
That's what I'm saying.
Bro, we always have the best daps. How's chefing it up been?
Me personally, I would never drop the ribs on the floor while I'm flipping them. That's just me though. Personally,
Oh. I don't know anything about that.
someone threw a burger out. I'm kind of like,
Hey.
someone threw a whole burger. I'm kind of like, I took that person. I took that person.
Ooh.
If you like, follow my Instagram. If you're a hot mom in like the 28 to 32 year old range, hit me up.
Wait, sorry. I'll help you out here.
Or if you look like this guy, you can also hit me up. No problem.
Yo, you need new axles?
You look just like Dylan now.
I'm like 80 pounds.
I know. Pretty long.
You just don't have the ass.
Nah, you look just like him.
Yo, man, what Brad said, bro. I just don't got the cake.
Turn around. Let me see.
This is not enough.
20 bucks.
I think Dylan
pull
told
that out without messing up the tip.
Without messing, what the fuck? Now
Oh
there's
wait,
always-
no. Yo, if I pull the tip out, can you put your tip in?
What?
Go home.
What?
Yeah, it's like this. So once it goes in, you can't really get it out.
Pause.
Yo.
Keep that motion.
Yeah.
I'm gonna Photoshop a cock on there.
It's all about the motion of the ocean. Dude, his face is so red, bro.
Faster.
This is. Oh! That's a lot of meat in your mouth.
I can handle it.
Pause.
Unpause.
Yo, you ever had 4 cheese meat?
No, we're talking. That's a good rib. That's a good rib. Good rib.
Shit, bless you.
Your mom's a professional.
Whoa.
What?
Whoa.
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 Anyways.
Trying
to end up like Eli.
Anyways, take your bite, goddammit.
No. Take the camera. Cut the camera.
The vlog said the vlog wants you to take another bite.
What's up?
Can you stop putting the camera in my face while I eat the rib?
Oh, you don't like it when it's your turn, huh? Oh, let me get that angle real quick.
I'm sorry. I'm gonna eat this in 2 bites.
Yeah? One? Okay. What you got for the second one? Oh my god. Oh my. Oh! Oh! Yo, the grip go crazy. Hey, yo, what you doing tonight? Alright, so we just finished up kind of eating and kicking it over there a little bit, as you guys saw.
Some mac and cheese right now.
Oh, yeah, you see.
Mac and cheese be hitting different. You wish you could eat
Who
it.
made that?
Number one bullshit guy right here. We just that guy eating good mac and cheese.
Yep.
Because it's priority.
Yep.
If you don't come strapped with mac and cheese to a party, you ain't at a good party.
Hollis PSA. That's gonna be a new bit.
Definitely. Definitely.
We're also just, you know, standing here shit talking, and realizing how just this matches really well. So shout out Jordan, thank you for painting this for me, because like I don't know if I could have gotten this done at like any fucking shop that I went to. That's pretty good.
That's as if it did come from the factory.
Looking pretty factory to me.
Even because it has such a flake, and you can see it's yellow some points from the sun. It's literally identical. Only got you right.
I decided I'm not gonna drill holes because this car did not come spec'd with this wing. So I do not want to cut into an OEM trunk. Not my thing. All right, let's cut this thing up, get it on the wing, and see, and hopefully maybe it'll hold.
It will hold that. 3 of them be hitting different. Oh, that's a big dog. Holy moly.
Uh-oh.
Oh, he just ate that. He took the boat. No, you
Nah,
he's
we got plenty.
He's committed to it. Did you catch that? He can keep it. I don't need a bet. I'm good. Sorry, man.
No, you're totally fine.
Don't worry. He was hungry. Everybody got to eat. He sniffed his like, oh my nuts.
Today was his day.
He came up on some good ass ribs, so you know that dog eating good.
Oh look, I found scissors.
Oh, wasn't a mistake.
I did not plant those there. Those were literally just sitting right where we found them. So yeah, now we can cut. All right, well, we have the first line of 3M done. Here you can actually see you can screw this thing down into your trunk. It's cheap plastic, so.
This is OEM quality. What you mean?
I mean, yeah, but like OEM quality is cheap plastic.
Yeah, 100%. That's accurate statement because half the shit on the car is just plastic. So unless you got some bougie ass shit, that's.
If I were you guys, I'd honestly say save some time and just 3M it because plastic like this probably isn't gonna fly off your car very easily. With some good adhesive.
That shit will stay there.
Yeah.
I've held on skirts with 3M tape. I've held on my wing with 3M tape when it was a wing, legit, because Chargers came with wings. And someone bolted it, but the bolts failed. The 3M didn't. So that's actually a fact.
Ooh. Better than this.
Better than a bolt in that case. So, in that case, you're doing great.
Yeah, so I'm gonna finish getting the next strip on, and what I'm doing, you guys can see, there are little like divots and notches in the back end of this thing that if you guys actually buy one of these, you'll be able to see yourself pretty easily. And for my guess, I would say this is gonna show you where you can put your 3M tape. I would say this is a pretty solid like line of 3M that should be able to hold it on without any worry. So yeah guys, I would say this is a pretty easy install. I'm gonna finish it up and show you guys what it looks like when it's on the car. Maybe we'll get some clips of Hollis and I struggling to align it or something. It's not on, but it's on. I realized that this install gets even easier, guys, because this wing will practically align itself on the car. Just with the curve of the kind of like OEM like trunk, like duckbill-ish styling, and then on top of it with another duckbill, it'll just line right up with the curve of the trunk. Makes things super easy to install, no stress. So let's take the covers off this tape and get it stuck down. Hopefully it won't come off again.
I don't see why I would.
Oh, we're doing a one-handed wing installation.
Oh, he's just like me.
I guess that's what we're doing.
Exposed.
No, he's got the Hitman dice things. He's just like me.
Is that actually a brand Hitman? You don't break them.
Don't break them.
This is why your shit's on literally not bricks. It's just on the floor.
Gotta have them even. Gotta have them the same way.
Okay.
Hayden touches my car and it turns into that.
You know what the crazy part is? I have the Hitman dice plate bolts.
He does.
The Hitman dice shift knob.
Oh, that's fire.
And the Hitman steering wheel.
Oh, that's
and
fire.
the Hitman horn button.
Oh.
What else?
And the Hitman rear view mirror.
This guy's just a
The
hitman.
whole catalog.
And the
of this.
Hitman rear view mirror,
He got
which
the whole
I didn't know
catalog.
was a thing until I saw it on an auction site, and then I had to
Here,
buy
hold
it.
this for me. I'm gonna just put this on
it
here
recording?
while Hayden's talking.
Okay.
Alright, I think we can drop it.
I'm fine with that.
That's not bad.
Let's sniff a fast car.
Good.
I'm holding this at like half-inch gap right here.
That's pretty good. That's actually kind of money right now. Not gonna lie. That's pretty good. That's
Money.
not
Thank you.
custom. Saw that?
Things happened. I was here for it.
You saw that, right?
I saw
shit's on there
everything. I saw everything.
That ain't going nowhere.
That looks good.
That
That looks good. That looks OEM.
I mean, it actually is OEM, right?
Yeah.
Flex.
Alright, so we were over there installing a wing, and then this is what we come back to. Johnny's getting lined up.
I'm gonna take that as a compliment. Just keep that tight.
Happy Memorial Day weekend.
Happy Memorial.
Yo, barbecues and barbershops.
How about this one? Why don't I?
He's gonna be like,
He's making me look good.
hopefully this looks good on camera.
Don't move your eyes. I was like, you see the back? He's like,
Set a number. Set a number. Set a number.
No, they want to
set a
shave my.
number.
He
Set a
said
number.
shave my goatee.
Set a number. Set a
What
number.
are the? What are the? What is the balance?
Between 1 and 100. Set a number.
1 in 100.
Yeah.
That's pretty good odds.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, 75.
1, 2, 3, 69.
73.
Bro, oh my God.
And you know what? I'll be truthful. Like I did not change my number. Like I thought 73.
Man, cheating.
That was way too
He
close.
said 75. I was like, fuck.
EK Johnny almost went smooth.
No. That's an after-hours service. That's an after-hours service.
Johnny, you need a shower?
Probably.
You joining me?
Huh?
Oh, you joining me?
Huh?
Let's go.
3?
Let's go.
I'll record.
4?
No, I'm only recording.
5 for 1.
No, I want tortilla.
Yo, where the tortillas at?
Yo, I'd win. I'd win.
Grab a paper plate.
Brian.
Oh, damn.
Boosie Bay, Boosie Bay. Yo, whoever loses gets a Boosie. Get it. Hold on. 1, 2, 3. Brian wins.
Boozy Faye. Back to your scheduled program.
Yo, hit him up at GAT, $30 a cut. For real?
Plus tip, and we're not talking money.
Oh.
I'm really good at that.
I actually am talking money, so please keep your tips inside your pants.
Inside you? What?
Do that squat.
Go ahead.
Holding it.
I was eating. I was tasting.
Oh, my
It
fault.
shit's tasty.
Oh, you were tasting another.
I was just dabbling.
It was.
I was
You
making
were tasting a quarter of it.
Oh, you got your haircut done.
I did.
Oh, nice. Looks good. Looks good.
I'm here.
How's the cheesecake?
I don't even know his name, but yeah, it's really good. Actually, creamy.
What is it? Cherry?
Raspberry.
Allegedly?
Family. He says it's family bakery or whatever.
Allegedly.
Allegedly.
Alright guys, so once again we're ending another video in the car. I guess this seems to be a little bit of a trend, but super happy I got to come out today, kick it with the guys. Haven't seen some of them in a little bit, and I got to meet some new faces, so shout out all of y'all that I met today that I haven't before. I'm really happy. I'm just starting to get back out there again. So I'm glad I got to bring you guys along for the ride today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed just like us hanging out. And yeah, make sure to go down in the description for all the like links and check out people. Anyways guys, thank you as always for watching. It means a lot that everyone is still watching. So if you're new here, make sure go down there, click the subscribe button. Stay tuned for all like the stupid car shit that we do. Other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Peace.